let's understand about our top N cards. For that, let's go to our customer dashboard. Inside our customer dashboard, we have created this category of parent and not a parent, and let's remove those categories first and start to create our top N cards. So we select here and let's remove the parent check from here, and we are having all our customers, and let's put the customer keys as well. Okay, let's not put the customers keys, that won't help at this moment. So these are our customers and the quantity sold are showing against them. Now let's put one card here, which is our KPI card, and we select that card. Let's show only one field here, which is the name of the customer. So we write the first and last name, which is inside our matrix. Right now you can see that this is showing Aina doctor as the customer, because this sorts the details through alphabetical number. However, we don't want to show that in an alphabetical order. Instead, let's go and create some filters inside this card. So we go to filters, and inside that we go and find first and last name and put it inside the filter for this visual only. We put it here, and inside that we want to filter based upon top N cards. Right now we want to get the top one customer, and this top one customer will be filtered based upon total revenue. So whose revenue is highest, that customer will be filtered. And if we apply filter here, you can see the Jennifer Williams is our top customers. And in this table as well, if we filter the data through the revenue, you can see Jennifer Williams is showing here, which is our top revenue generating customer, which is generating $299. Now let's go and format this card visual for the moment. So we go to our format tab, and inside that let's go, do we want to show any title? Right now we can show any title, and yes, we can show top revenue generating customer. This is our top revenue generating customer, and we want to show the number in the form of Sego UI. So this is here. We want to show it in the bold format and in the center. Also the text color, if we want to have any, so let's show it in the format here, which is our top revenue generating customer. And let's close the title from here. Let's go to the call out value, and right now the call out value is also in DIN format. Let's convert it to Sego UI, and let's make its size to around 30, and instead of 30 we can show it in 25 as well, because we will be adding 2 more KPIs against this particular customer. And after that font, we can go here and text wrap is on and other things are looking good. And category label, do we want to show that? So we don't want to show this category label, first name and last name, because this is very apparent that this is showing the top revenue generating customer, which is Jennifer Williams. Now if we select based upon parent, so if we select this card here, this chart here, you can see that our data would be updated. If we select not a parent inside here, so the people who are not a parent, among them John Rodriguez is having the highest revenue, which is $187 here. So the name has automatically been updated to John. Also, if we select based upon homeowners, so the people who are homeowners, among them if we select yes, then Jennifer becomes our top customer again. So based upon different selection, this interactivity keep on showing in our tables as well. Now let's bring our card little bit on the right. Yes. Now once we have created this card, we can also create the total orders and total revenue generated by this customer. So we do a Control C Control V, and inside that, instead of showing the customer name here, what we can show is the revenue. So we write its revenue here, we click on that, and you can see that the $299 is the revenue which this customer Jennifer Williams has generated. So we can update the name here as well, total revenue. So we can write it as highest revenue generated by customer, and let's drag it a little bit more below. Also, if we want to show the total orders by this particular customer, then we can do again Control C Control V, and let's align them little bit here. And here, instead of showing the total revenue, we can go and update it to orders. So we can write as quantity sold, and we can do a cancel here, and we can see this customer Jennifer William has created 6 orders. Let's update it to orders. Wait for a second. Orders, and let's update the name here as well, and let's write it as we have pressed double click here, revenue, and let's make it a little bit slimmer. Fine, this looks fine, and this looks fine as well, and this is all about for Jennifer Williams. If we go and select the customer who are not having any home, and if we update the data based upon that, you can see Christopher is having the highest revenue who was not owning a home, and $224 is the revenue from that customer. However, let's see that there are 2 customers, one is Christopher and next one is Thomas. So based upon the data, you can see that on this line Christopher is alphabetically on the top, so this is showing Christopher. However, this is summing up the total revenue because the revenue is coming based upon the highest revenue. Now these two are competing here, so if these two are competing here, then these are aggregated based on formula. Also their orders are aggregated here. So to avoid this kind of discrepancy, instead of having these KPIs based upon as you can see right now, these are based upon first and last name, we can update these KPIs based upon customer key number, because customer key number will always be unique, and based upon those customer key, these should be updated. So right now you can see that this is updated here. Wait for a second. Yeah, so I hope you understood that the kind of anomalies which may occur here, and for that you should always be filtering based upon the customer key. I hope you understood how these I can say top KPI cards can be created, and thank you so much for watching.